Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of the spider pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already hatched my spooky egg and then I got this spider. Then I'm going to show you the ability of this spider. But before I'm going to show you the chance to get this spider from spooky egg. I'm going to go to the shop and you will have 18% chance to get this spider. And now let's place this spider. I'm going to place it on my garden and I'm going to show you the ability of this spider, whether it's worth to keep or not. I'm going to view it. Okay, and it's a legendary pet, and basically it can reduce the cooldown time of your pet, and then it can help your plants grow larger. Okay, yeah, I think it's good and it's worth to keep, but I think that's not OP pet, but you can keep it to grow your plant faster, I mean larger. Okay guys, and that's all the ability of this spider pet in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.